Yo, I got you.
Howdy, how's it going?
Pretty good, how about you?
Good.
What's up? We're only an hour late. That's not bad.
That's not bad for us.
It is terrible weather.
For
I also kind of slept past my alarm clock.
there it is.
Yeah.
That it's been like 50 or 60 here, and I watch your videos, and it's like, yeah, we got snow again. I wake up this morning, and I was like, oh, they brought the snow.
No, it actually was kind of gnarly coming here.
What'd you drive?
The Ram.
I don't fit. Oh, you're gonna start the Ferrari? Yeah. Some Italian straight pipe.
It's everything.
Some of the finest tubing from Italy.
You want to run it all the way up, or how do you want to?
I don't know.
It's up to you.
Oh, would you look at all this stuff?
Yeah, the good news is it's a brand new truck. Also, the bad news is it's a brand new truck. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well,
We have some things and stuff to do here.
Do you have a short 15 millimeter somewhere, or does that leave with a 13?
I got a long 15.
Dang it, it's short. Brett, my tools are here. Your tools are here. What tools? Your 13 and your 15?
That's a big.
Sure, you're begging.
How'd they rope you into coming back and doing this?
Baker's like, can you be able to help me with the Cboys truck? I'm like, yeah, I can do that.
It's nice to break it up once in a while.
Should we take this off?
Well, the only problem is if you take it off, there's all these.
Oh yeah.
There's all this shit under
It might be best just to leave it.
If it rubs, I don't know. Yeah, I would leave it.
Don't be afraid to trim it, obviously.
Yeah, we'll cut
Whatever
it.
you gotta do.
I would leave it on there. It'll actually help you, especially if this is gonna be the tail pig.
Yeah.
whoa, whoa, whoa! Listen to this guy. Who's this guy?
Dude.
Should be alright, yeah. It's got studs, so it shouldn't fall out.
Yeah.
Maybe. I kind of feel it coming.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Love it.
Would you look at that? Would you just look at it?
That's a lot of lifting for
Like girthy.
9 in the morning. Oh, what a guy! What a guy! He's getting me all set up. You got an endless supply of Loctite. Get all the threads. The only thing is, you just did that. We gotta take the studs out yet, homeboy.
Oh,
It's gonna dry now.
that means it'll be tighter.
Oh, it's high tech.
Yeah.
We need an inverted Torx.
Ew. What the fuck?
Where's the 9? You know why it's not there? Because 789. Ah, dad jokes. Oh. We had to be genital with her, but we got it.
I'll grunt, you lift, because I'm.
What? No. You lift, I'll grunt.
I'm gonna shit myself here.
Oh, man. Got your depends on, old man? Ready? No. We gotta go tail first. Yep. You gotta come here. Oh, what the shit? Oh, come back my way. There we go. Oh, we gotta turn the damn. Hang on, you got it?
Yep.
Sorry if I was making love to your leg. Oh.
In the backyard or what? 70.
We got Bluetooth coils in this bitch. 27. Yep.